So Mark, we have the Raptor product all mixed up. Tell me what you're doing with application-wise here.
Excellent question. This is where it all comes together in using Raptor as a texture replacement product. So we've got this door, we've prepped it off like it's an OEM door that originally had factory texture on it, and it went from fine to coarse texture. So what I'm going to do is, utilizing the 3M HO Pro gun, is I'm going to run a nice, smooth, fine texture across the whole panel. Then I'm going to increase the fluid flow and drop the air pressure back a little bit, and I'm going to put another coat along the bottom so I can marry the fine texture and the coarse texture together. Once we're done with that process, we're going to allow the material to flash off for approximately 30 minutes. We're going to base coat the whole door, and then we're going to clear it, and then it's going to be done.
Awesome. Well, have fun.
Absolutely. It's time for you to get out of the booth.
All righty. So Kevin, we saw the various textures being applied with the 3M gun and the Raptor product. Tell me a little bit about this gun.
So Jason, what we're going to do now is we're going to use our 4880 Professional Series gun that has a variable tip nozzle so we can adjust the different textures. So we're going to use that with same Raptor product, just in a different packaging configuration, same 3-to-1 mix-in ratio that Mark used on the other product. So this particular bottle will screw directly to that gun. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go with a medium to coarse texture over the whole section that we have masked off now, and then I'm going to make an adjustment on the gun to allow more product to come out, and we're going to put a coarser texture on there starting at the bottom and blending up, trying to create a nice fade to see the variation in the texture.
Awesome. Can't wait to see it.
All right, here we go. So we'll shake the bottle for approximately 2 minutes, and then I'll attach this to the gun and apply the Raptor.
All right, good luck, sir.
All right, thank you.
Wow, so Kevin, I know this is the same 3-to-1 ratio, but I notice it's not black. What's going on?
What we have done here is we have used our Tenable product, which is a translucent color. So when painting over top of the chip guard, you will actually get faster coverage and easier hiding, as opposed to trying to put, in this instance, a silver paint over top of a black texture coat.
Right on.
This is the finished product using Raptor as a 2-component texture replacement product. This is designed to duplicate an OEM finish, and if you recall from when we did the actual application, we've got a very fine texture on top that gradiates down to a much coarser texture on the bottom. The nice thing about the Raptor as a 2-component texture product, you can duplicate any type of OEM texture that's required. It's a fully integrated 2-component system. You can come back, apply your base coat, your clear coat directly to it, and bake it, and it's done. This turns out really, really nice.
Thanks again for being here today, Kevin and Mark. Where can people go to find more information about Raptor products?
Jason, all you got to do is go to www.raptorcoatings.com.
Awesome, thank you so much.